Hello guys, if you wanna change your app permissions on the HTC U Ultra, let's start from open the settings. And now we have to go to the apps. Click here on the right upper corner, configure apps. As you can see, there is app permissions. And for example, we can go for the location. And as you can see, there are all applications that has access to your location, and we can turn it off on the Google Chrome, and you can manage all of the applications here. So feel free to do what you want and enjoy this short tutorial. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and of course comments below.